Hi, welcome to the attic. For those who don't know who I am, my name is Kai. Today's episode is going to be another one in the series of Will It Fix. I have my turntable here, and I have a little issue. It is this pickup needle, this one. Because the brand of this turntable is not among the most famous, it is a little difficult to get a pickup needle like this. So we are going to replace the cartridge. I got the cartridge here. So come join me. Okay, here we are. And it is one thing I'm going to have a look at the same time. We are replacing this cartridge. And that is, I would like a little higher lift on this arm. I wonder if it is something wrong with this lift mechanics. So we're going to have a look on that issue first. Okay, I have moved the turntable so it's able for you to see what's happened here. And as I told, I want it a little higher lift. So it is a set screw here where I can lift it. Would that be enough? Ooh, that was heavy. Yeah, that looks great. Okay. And it set down. And the next operation is to replace this cartridge.
And for that I need one screw.
I kind of a little stupid look what I could have done. Shall not be easy. There. Flip it. What I'm going to do now is to replace that one with this one. Some new screws if needed. Now I'm going to zoom in a little. These wires need to disassemble. And I noticed that was not easy. That was not the easiest task. So there's only one thing to do. Blunt force. Like that. Okay. Don't mess up with the colors. Hey. What I'm doing, destroying at the first attempt. Let's try again. There. Of course, I could have been replacing for another more branded cartridge like Autophone or something, but this is not a high brand turntable, so I try this first, and maybe in the future I go for some higher brand. There, I'm going to adjust that one a little later. There. Let's see if you can see this. See, I have all these helping lines, which helps me to see if the cartridge is exactly as it should be on the turntable. This looks okay. And when I lift it, just where it should be. Okay. We need to read the white. And let's see, I'm going to have some adjustment first. I'm going to find the 0 point. As you see, I have been adjusting the weight at the end of the arm to make it balance. Now the arm is balancing, and now we're going to do both. Now let's see if that was 2 gram. On. That was exactly 2.02. It is hard for you to see, but as you can see, 2.02 gram. We accept that. What I have not been taken in consideration is, of course, this one. So when I take this off and put it down, then it is not the same weight. So we start all over again. There's balanced. 0 and what did I say? 2. And we try again. $1.9. Oh, okay. I accept that one. And next thing I'm going to do is to adjust this anti-skating. This one. It's going to be the same weight. I'm going to be 2. That wasn't too hard. It works. I have not tested it with the record yet, because if I play any of my music on YouTube, then this video is going to be banned. But now I am able to sit here at the attic, play my old records. It's going to be nice. So now we are approaching the end of this video, and then you know what you're going to do to have this. Click like and subscribe, and also click this notification bell so you get a notification next time I post a video. So until next time, bye!